Up until this point, all part and assembly configurations have been created solely within SolidWorks. These parametric designs can also be created using equations and an Excel spreadsheet. To create a parametrically designed part using Excel, first I'll start a new metric part. Next, I'll set up the variables I wish to use by selecting the Tools and then Equations from the drop-down menu. In the Equations window, under the word Global Variables, I'll click. In this cell, I'll enter quotation mark, capital L, and then quotation marks again. Notice how the variable is a blue color? Next, I'll press the Tab key to move to the value/expression field. Here, I'll type 50 and press the Enter key. The Evaluates To field will display 50. I'll now add 3 more variables in this manner. I'll enter W, but this time I'll not add the quotation marks. Notice how the W is shown in red until I press the Tab key to move to the next field, at which point SolidWorks will correct my mistake and add the quotation marks. I'll set the value for W to 38. Now I'll add a T and set its value to 10. Lastly, I'll add an SL and set its value to 6. To help me understand the function of these variables, I'll add a comment to each one. For the L, I'll add part length. For the W, I'll add part width. For the T, I'll add part thickness. And for the SL, slot length. Now that I've created the variables, I'll select OK to accept this and close the window. Next, I'll create the first part utilizing these variables.